Hello, this is Banani. I'm an educator of an international school in Bangalore, in India. I have experience of working in many international schools. I love to incorporate ICT in my studies, in teaching my subject, but there are many constraints, and one of them is non-availability of hardware resources, software, and individual devices for our students. To cover up this constraint in my learning activity, I'm going to use free resources provided by Intel. In the search engine, we'll type Intel resources. This will give us the link to launch our login page. Here, this is the teacher's login place. We are going to enter our teacher login ID and password. Next is we are going to sign in with this teacher ID and password. This is our teacher login space. Now here this represents my login ID. This is the additional information for our login space. These are different projects. Now this is the description of the project. These are the number of teams to which the project has been assigned. So this is under visual ranking tool. I have a project called Latitude, which is done by these many number of students. So these are the name of the students which are using this particular project. Here are the review buttons with which a teacher can review the project done by a particular student. Let's see the example. Let's see what this particular child has done. And this is the teacher workspace to review a child's work, student's work. This is my login ID and other details. So this is the project done by the student. Here the child needs to organize the latitude information from North Pole to South Pole. Now I can compare this particular child's result with the class average. I can see the correlation between the class average and his work. So here I can see that there is a difference of 0.1. So this difference is because that maybe the other children are confused with these two latitude, that is 66.5 and 60 degree north. This is the place to write a comment. Here the teacher can write a comment on basis of his or her observation. So suppose for this child I'm writing okay, well done. This comment can be saved with the help of update comment button. Now either the teacher can sign out or can go to project listing. I'm going to project listing now. So these are different projects that I've created and assigned to my students. So here I have three types of project. These are the different three types of project that the teacher can create for their lessons. These are the teams for which the projects have been assigned.